know, knew, known. All of the sentences I'm about to show you have some form of the verb know. What form of the verb know goes into these sentences? I want you to guess the answer, and then I'll show you the answers for all 10 sentences. Number 1, she, many people. This sentence is for now, today. Number 2, he didn't, and then the verb know goes here. For number 3, I have her for many years. Number 4, we don't. Number 5, they aren't well. Number 6, you should this. Number 7, I've them for years. Number 8, you must have. Number 9, she never. This is in the past tense. And number 10, this is good too. And then put some form of the verb know here. Here are the answers. She knows many people. This is in the present tense. For number 2, he didn't know. You could put an object here. He didn't know the answer. This is in the past tense, using the helping verb did and the simple form of the verb know. For number 3, I have known her for many years. This sentence is in the present perfect tense. This is the helping verb, and this is the past participle. For number 4, we don't know. This is in the present tense. This verb is in the simple form. Number 5, they aren't well known. This is the past participle here, but it's functioning as an adjective with the word well. The main verb is right here. This is not the verb unless you consider it in the passive voice. This could be the adjective, but it could also be in the passive voice. For number 6, you should know this. After a modal verb, the main verb should be in the simple form. And for number 7, I've known them for years. This is in the present perfect tense. This is a contraction for I have. And this verb is in the form of a past participle. For number 8, you must have known. Here's the past participle. This is a perfect modal verb phrase. Must have known. You really need to choose the past participle after have. For number 9, she never knew her parents. This is in the past tense, right here. And number 10, this is good to know. In this case, know is part of an infinitive, and in this case, you have to use the simple form. This was kind of an experiment. If the video helped you, let me know in the comment section.